So a couple of years ago I did a research project called Materiality, and I wanted to explore how physical and digital sonic materials could sort of work together in a live performance setting, and I wanted to bring these kind of two worlds together of sound art and sound sculpture and DIY interfaces with kind of more traditional live electronic music forms like drum machines and samplers. As part of that, I worked at the London Sculpture Studios and I learned how to weld and build these metal sound sculptures, and I used them to perform with live, and also recorded the sounds of the materials and the properties as well, and used those as kind of industrial music concrete samples to build my own machines. So first up, this is my graphene interface here, and this was made as part of the Materiality project. I was interested in graphene as the sort of future wonder material, the super material. It was discovered here in Manchester a few years ago, so I worked with scientists and researchers at the National Graphene Institute, and I wanted to work with it in a kind of musical or more poetic way rather than this sort of constant race to industry perspective, this capitalist perspective. So I built this interface. As you can see on here, there's 6 modules, and each of them has got graphene inside, and each of those modules acts as a capacitive touch controller. So what that means is that the material is conductive and it's looking out for a variance in voltage. So each module has a wire that's going straight to a little Arduino here, and then the Arduino is hooked up directly into Ableton Live. So what that means is I can use it as a MIDI controller, so to play it in kind of a gestural way when I'm performing live. So each of these little units I can hook up to an effect or a synth or an oscillator, control these in a live show. So I'm going to do a short demo using Portal just to show you kind of how you can manipulate these parameters.